Hey guys, Eric Clark, Flagstar Bank, coming at you from the headquarters in Troy, Michigan. I've had some questions recently about investment properties, and there's a struggle sometimes for people to qualify, and you don't need to go modifying the way you file your taxes necessarily. There are bank statement loans specially made for self-employed, and we have investment properties. Yes, 12-month bank statement loans from Flagstar Bank, a mortgage built for self-employed borrowers. The Advantage Bank Statement Loan offers an alternative income documentation solution for self-employed borrowers, even does investment properties to aggressive LTVs, reasonable FICO scores, and to large dollar amounts. There's an interest-only option. There's 40-year amortizations on many of our non-QM products. The 12-month bank statements, how does it work? If it's personal bank statements, we take 12 months of the personal bank statement. Bank statements should be most recent available at the time of application. Business narrative needs to be completed. It's a few simple questions regarding their business. It needs to be 2 years business existence. Ownership percentage must be at least 25%. 1099 is considered self-employed. Advantage bank statements qualifying if you had personal bank statements, so you were not running it through a business but personal bank statements, you would divide the amount by 12 months. So you count up all the deposits and you divide it by 12, and that is your monthly income when you're doing personal statements.
How to break down business checking statements.
So getting into business bank statements, we typically look for 50% expense factor. Add up all the deposits, divided by 12 times 0.5 for expenses, and that would be the income you would use. That can be reduced to 20% expense factor when it's max 80 LTV, sole ownership, and low to no business expenses involved. There's some details from the guidelines that'll help you in the calculation of income if you have any questions there. The last option would be if a tax professional CPA reasonable validation required that there was limited expenses involved in the business, max 80 LTV, we could take a 15% reduction. So to elaborate on the Advantage bank statement loans, ineligible borrowers, self-employed borrowers who file their own tax returns are not eligible. All right, be careful there. That's a big qualifier. Businesses that have significant pass-through revenue, such as retail businesses that perform cash checking or sell lottery tickets, or investment firms that receive outside investments, can't use those. No passive income such as rental properties, no borrowers whose business is asset speculation, fix and flip inventories, day traders, etc. No exceptions to these published guidelines. You'll also need some reserves to do these. Primary residences, second homes, investments all have different tiered levels. Anything over 1.5 second home or investment property is going to ask for 12 months. 1.5 million on primaries and below could be 6 months. Funds for businesses account may be used for down payment, closing costs, and reserves if there is 100% ownership of the business across borrower on the loan, and the company's CPA provides a statement indicating withdrawal of the funds will not negatively impact the business. Speaking of, preserving the money, interested party contributions are always a good idea on the non-QM Advantage bank statement loan. Investment properties, all LTVs is 3% seller concessions, but on primaries below 80, there's a 6%. So get a hold of me if you want to know more about Flagstar and non-QM loans. We're here for you to help you navigate a difficult market, and appreciate your business. You have a good day. Take care.